Hello, everybody. Welcome to another session of One Question a Day. The topic of discussion is development of teeth. A very rare question asked. The epithelial mesenchymal interaction into development. If that question is asked, the key would be you have to discuss about what is epithelial mesenchymal interactions in differentiation, its roles in differentiation of ameloblast and odontoblast diagrams. The epithelial mesenchymal interaction in the formation of root dentin and cementum with diagram. The epithelial mesenchymal interaction in the formation of supporting tissues, namely the periodontal ligament and alveolar bone, the clinical consideration, how enamel hypoplasia, osteodentin, and molecular insights are happening. This is a very challenging question as far as, and it's very good to know that how to organize this answer. Epithelial mesenchymal interactions are a series of programmed sequential and reciprocal communications between epithelial and mesenchymal orchestrated in formation of tooth and its supporting structures. Let me repeat. Epithelial mesenchymal interactions are a series of programmed sequential and reciprocal, meaning between epithelium and mesenchymal. Okay, in an orchestrated phenomenon, like in orchestra, it has to happen in a sequence. If the sequence misses, the whole process collapses. It results in differentiation. The interaction results in differentiation of one or both the cells, epithelium as well as ectomesenchymal cells populations, to another set of cells. They are the hallmark of odontogenesis. If these 2 points comes off, you are guaranteed for 2.5 marks out of 5 marks. The dental papilla has the ectomesenchymal cells. Dental papilla and sac has the ectomesenchymal cells and can induce both the tooth epithelium, and the tooth epithelium can induce the mesenchyme to form different stage. How? In the initial phases, in the early cap stage, okay, the organizing influence of the epithelium here in the developing inner enamel epithelium sets off some signals. What signals? Like bone morphogenetic proteins, fibroblast growth factors, okay, left Hedgehog's genes, sonic hedgehog genes, and WNT pathways, and all the genes that are mentioned here, okay, that to the underlying ectomesenchymal or dental papillary cells. By this organizing influence of the inner enamel epithelium, the outer layer of dental papilla turns itself into an odontoblast and starts to lay down dentin. And this dental mesenchyme again sends a series of bone morphogenetic fibroblast, SH, sonic hedgehog, and WNT pathway signals across into the overlying enamel epithelium that causes its morphological change into ameloblast. Right? So, epithelium acts on ectomesenchyme to turn into odontoblast, and that sends signals that causes the epithelium to turn into ameloblast. So mutual, that is reciprocal inductions. And this is the role of epithelial mesenchymal interaction in the formation of ameloblast and odontoblast. In root dentin and cementum, when the root dentin is being formed and exposed by the dissolution of the epithelial Hertwig sheath, the newly formed dentin is exposed to the overlying dental sac. There is an organizing influence. Again, the same set of BMP, FGF, sonic hedgehogs, PWNT, along with all the signals from the dental papilla, stimulates the formation of newer material, that is the cementum. Similarly, a lot of other materials such as periodontal ligament and alveolar bone also stimulated by these set of chemicals. The clinical consideration is when there is lack of interactions, there could be absence of one or many tooth. Okay, very frequent in upper permanent lateral incisors or third molars. And complete lack of tooth is called as anodontia. Abnormal initiation could lead to more than one tooth or roots. You could have enamel hypoplasia when there is vitamin A deficiency because of amyloblast and this subsequent chemical formations, chemical signaling abnormality. Even this abnormality could give rise to defect in dentin secretions. This is the clinical significance. This is how you organize this answer. Stay connected for another session of one question a day. Subscribe this channel.